Wrecsam Town of Sanctuary is a partnership of organizations coordinated by TCC.
We are part of Natural City of Sanctuary Network. We work together to make communities more welcoming for people seeking sanctuary.
Each sanctuary group works in a way which suits their area. Wrecsam Town of Sanctuary does not provide direct support services.
Instead, we work with people who are experts by experience. We provide training, we raise awareness of the people seeking sanctuary, and we meet with decision makers. This is to make systemic changes to benefit people seeking sanctuary.
Organizations were coming together to make sure that Wrecsam is a safe place for asylum seekers and migrants coming into the town. Bawso was involved in that, in the fact that we support a lot of migrants. Our work revolves around supporting migrants, asylum seekers, refugees, and because of this, we were involved from a very early stage to ensure that Wrecsam was a town of sanctuary.
My name's Eileen Hughes, and I'm the coordinator of an international drop-in in Wrecsam. I think the very word sanctuary implies safety and freedom from persecution, which is what we try to provide for people. It's very important for them to feel safe and feel in a welcoming community, and I think this is what organisations like Town of Sanctuary help with.
So it is important that Wrecsam is seen as a place that is welcoming and is, simply put, a town of sanctuary. And as an organisation that supports migrants, we want to be part of that. It is so important that in these times in particular, where we are seeing conflict in different countries, that Wrecsam is shown to be a beacon almost, that people can come here, that they're safe here, they can settle here, and they're welcome.
For me, Wrecsam Town of Sanctuary made me feel like I'm part of Wrecsam. So when doing something for refugees and for natives as well at the same time, made me feel more connected to it. So I felt more a Welsh person now, a part of this country. Yeah.
So for AVOW in particular, it's really important that we provide a sustainable, resilient community for individuals and organisations, and for us that means empowering all voices within the community to have that footing and to enable them to be an active part of their communities. For Wrecsam Town of Sanctuary in particular, for us that means providing those opportunities for individuals and the organisation as a whole, but it also means providing that welcoming acceptance into the community for people who might find themselves migrants or asylum seekers, refugees within the community.
Some of them come to this county or to this part of the world with nothing other than what the clothes they're stood in. You could help them with clothing, you could help them with food, you could even befriend them, become a friend to them and help them walk around the town and understand where the church is, where the mosque is, where the shop is.
We're all one, we work together. They're our colleagues often, they're our classmates, our schoolmates, our friends at college. They're our neighbours, they're the people who walk the streets with us, we use the same services.
People have been very welcoming, very enthusiastic to know how they can help us, how they can embrace our diverse backgrounds, and also helping us to integrate. That's why I joined a choir, and I've been very welcome because I felt like at home, and I become part of this town, this community.
Just having that spirit of welcoming people, don't judge people, showing that human kindness, just trying as much as possible to support them to settle into the community, showing them around, explaining to them about things, even simple things that you take for granted.
I say Wrecsam is my home, it's where my heart is, because I have felt embraced, valued and welcome in this town. People in Wrecsam have been really wonderful.
Of course, I feel Wrecsam is my home. Our home is not where we come from. Our home is when we feel safe. And that's exactly what we are here in Wrecsam. We feel safe. We feel people's love around us. So it's our home now, definitely.